Good morning, kids. We are dealing with chapter 6, changes around us. Is it? In last class we studied about reversible and irreversible changes. Okay. Now we'll learn some more examples for irreversible changes. We learned that activity 1 and 2, 3 are examples of reversible changes, and activity 4, 5 and 6 are examples of irreversible changes. Okay, now we'll go further. You use a pencil and an eraser. With repeated use, their shape and size change. Can we reverse this change? If we are using the pencil continuously, if the lead goes down, what we'll do? We used to sharpen the pencil, so the height of the pencil will get decreased. In the same way, if we are using the eraser for many days, what happen? It will becomes very smaller. But after using for many days, we can't get the full length of pencil or the whole eraser. So this change cannot be reversed. So it is an irreversible change. You must have seen a potter working on his wheel. He shapes a lump of clay into a pot. Can this change be reversed? No. Then he bakes the pot into an oven. Now can this change be reversed? Just to think of it, you just imagine a potter is working on his wheel. Okay, he used to make clay pots. Okay, for that he is shaping the lump of a clay to make a pot. Okay, from the pot, can we get the clay again? Before baking, if we remove the pot, means we can get the clay. Okay, after baking, it gets its original shape. It is becoming a hard pot, so we can't get the clay back. So this change cannot be reversed. Some common changes are given in table 6.1. Which of these changes do you think can be reversed? We find that one way we can group changes is to see if they can be reversed. Okay, in table 6.1, some of the changes are given for you. Okay, you go through it carefully and you just mark whether this change can be reversed or not. You just mark it yes or no. Raw egg to boiled egg. From the raw egg we can't raw egg to boiled egg. Okay, if the raw egg is boiled, we can't get the raw egg again. In the same way, batter to idli. Once the batter is made into idli, we have to eat the idli, but we can't get the batter again. Okay, like that you go through the examples, changes given in your book, and you correctly fill it. Could there be other way to bring a change? Apart from these changes, any other ways to bring changes? Yes. We all have seen the tools which are used to dig the soil. Have you ever seen how the iron blade in these tools is fixed to the wooden handle? See kids, have you seen this kind of tools farmer used to dig the soil? For the purpose of cultivation of crops and for sapling the plants, farmer have to dig the soil by using these instruments. Okay, they have iron blade with the iron ring, metal ring. Okay, that metal ring has to fix with the wooden stick. Okay, so the metal ring is smaller than the size of the wooden stick. Okay, on heating, the wooden metal ring will get expanded. On heating any metal, it will get expand. Okay, after expanding, the wooden stick will be inserted easily into the ring. Okay, when the ring cools down, it contracts and fits tightly to the handle, so it will be easy for the farmer to work with it. Okay, the iron blade will not come out of it. So this is the change. Okay, here the iron ring will undergoes change. such a change is also used for fixing the metal rim on a wooden wheel of a cart. See, this is the wooden wheel of a bullock cart. Have you seen? In ancient days, people used to travel by bullock cart, that is mattu vandi. Okay, usually the metal rim will be smaller than the wooden wheel. So the metal rim on heating will get expanded. Okay, after expanding, the wooden wheel will be easily fixed into the metal rim. Okay, after fitting, some cold liquid, okay, cold water will be poured onto the metal rim, so it will get condensed and it become hard, so the wooden wheel not come out of the metal rim. So this is the change. Okay, in your chapter 5 activity 7 you would have studied water vapor gets changed into liquid water when it is cooled. So what type of change is this? That is reversible change. Okay, when change from water, always it indicates reversible change, because water on heating it will get evaporated, on cooling the water vapor will become water. Okay, if we freeze the water we will get ice, if we melt the ice we will get water. So anyhow this change is reversible. What does it change into? Is it possible to change this water into ice back? Yes. So I hope now you are able to differentiate reversible and irreversible changes well. Reversible change means you can get back the original substance. In irreversible, you can't get the original substance. Instead, you will find a new product. Thank you, children.